Welcome to a GR86 video, and underneath is something very important, a little hair dryer. Yeah. How big or small is it?
Like your balls, maybe.
Oh, so is it like big or small?
No, it's the big one. I think it's a 3761 something Borgwana.
Uh-huh.
The EFR series.
Yeah.
Internal wastegate, internal blow off, everything. It's recirculated. We've chosen the big one.
Yeah.
Because we didn't want, and we run it with low boost, just
Okay.
a half bar.
Okay.
And so you have a good response.
What's the power it's making?
It's by the way, it's officially in the books with
It's
TÜV
TÜV.
approved. Yeah.
Yes, because a German car,
Yeah.
which is very important.
It has got 320 horsepower
Okay.
officially, and then we have a track mode. You don't use it.
It's on the public road, of
yeah,
course,
yeah,
never.
Never
No.
on the public road.
No.
But then you got 355.
Nice.
You got 410 Newton meters of torque, and you got it from nearly zero
Yeah.
to the top range at 7.7. So we
Very
raised
nice.
the limiter a little bit, and yeah, you can use the whole rev band, and there's power enough.
It is, it is. As a matter of fact, we already did a lap after waiting for like 4 hours because track was closed multiple times. And it's fantastic. It's exactly what the car needs because I used to have one GR86 until I gave it away. It's now actually being under construction because the engine is being rebuilt still from last year, but being stroke kitted. Maybe that's actually something that this car can use, just like a 0.1 more of a CC, so you're gonna have a 2.5 liter maybe. Anyway, this is fantastic, really good, the best upgrade I've experienced on the GR86, aside from the chassis upgrades, of course. And this is what the car was kind of lacking in a way. Suspension was good, set on the soft side, but the brakes, that's the issue. To every GR86 owner, the stock calipers are bad. Even with combination with endless pads, it's just they are so small that they not can lose their heat, and therefore you're gonna cook the pads. So yeah, I don't know what Toyota / Subaru were doing by making them. They don't work. I know what they were doing. They were reducing the costs because they knew that people who are gonna buy those cars are gonna modify them anyway. So they might as well do something cheap. Other than that, it's running Nankang CRS tires, fantastic tire, really mind-blowing performance. It's stock interior, so it is definitely missing a bit of bucket seats. Aero was actually good enough. I mean, it's good. So yeah, will you be back with some more stuff?
Yeah, of course. It's just as usual with project cars, you are never finished, and when it's finished, you crash it and you build something new.
Yeah.
I'm not intending to crash it, but I'm gonna make it even more track focused.
Nice.
As you see, we have still room for alignment. We can add camber. The whole rear axle is also adjustable.
Ah, okay.
We had all the good parts in it.
I can see it's running some good camber,
Yeah,
so
yeah.
that's good.
But this is conservative.
Yeah.
And next upgrade is going to be the brake. That
Yeah.
was planned anyway, but
Good.
it's not ready yet. So now we're
Good.
working on it. And I get a half cage and
Some seats.
yeah, some seats.
Nice.
Yeah,
Well,
and then I think it will.
and then you'll be back and we'll do some proper lap.
Yeah.
Nice. All right. Enjoy this lap. It was fantastic. Bit of traffic, bit of yellows. Halfway through the lap, I had to really take it easy because the brakes were like really through it. The pedal was getting really soft, almost through the floor. Didn't run a pedal cam because you all love the rear view camera. So yeah. Anyway, thanks. Bye. Yay.
Okay.
All right, we made it to the track. Everything is off. Let's see if I still remember how to drive a GR86, because I haven't driven mine since I crashed it with Joe, actually, because then we rebuilt it and then the engine went. So before I went on the track. Okay, off we go. Good power. I need that. That's why the car was missing. Really good.
Vibrations is just unbalanced wheels. Don't care.
Okay. Tesla is a friend of ours,
Yeah.
so we kind of knew what to expect. good. I just missed my suspension, my diff, my seats. Oh, why?
Because there's something wrong.
Okay, all right.
Okay.
Sad.
Yeah.
Very
really,
sad.
Really sad. I think you can reach more than 250 here.
I wonder if the guy is broken down here, probably, maybe. Or maybe there. Shit!
What do you say so far?
Dude, okay, power fantastic.
Yeah.
It's really good. It still has this like high revving character.
Yeah.
In a way, let's say it's not laggy. That's the most important thing, because
No, it's from down low to the limiter. You got power.
it's really, really good. Like
Yeah.
the only thing, like I said, I'm missing is like I know how good the chassis can be with additional mods, because I had the big brakes, the big brake kit from Megane, some other reinforcements, like the seats, of course. So with this power on the additional chassis mods, my god, that would be a proper weapon. And
Yeah, give me a couple of months. It's all in the planning.
sounds good.
Yeah, I'm going for a half cage, so you get 4-point harnesses.
Okay.
I was thinking about Recaro pole positions.
Yeah.
I have them in my garage.
Okay.
My setup is quite conservative. You can
Yes.
Here. Here you can use all of the torque. Same here. If you want to, shift down, but I think you don't need it.
Probably.
Get some coffee or groceries or whatever. Eventually it will stop rubbing.
Good fun.
Yeah, absolutely.
Amazing. Very good.
And he still doesn't understand.
Good laps.
Yeah, that was cool.
That was nice.
Yeah,
But the brakes are done.
yeah,
The pedal is falling through.
yeah. Even with the good fluid.
Yep. It's because the size is way too small for the calipers. They cannot
There's too
deal
much
with
heat.
it.
Yeah, too much heat.
I had the same. I had when I was like running the stock size brakes,
Yeah.
even with aftermarket pads, fluid, it's done.
Yeah.
Here, smoking.
Yeah,
See, so
yeah,
I'm actually gonna get off there because
yeah. I need them once more at least.
Ah,
Was that us?
maybe. But why is everyone stuck? Oh, well. Now is the guy gonna say, "Oh, your brakes are smoking"? Yeah. What do you want me to do then?
Ooh, but it was nice anyway.
So, all right, traffic jam verdict. Power delivery, fantastic. Really loved it. Just needs different brakes,
Yeah, I
as
know
we
that.
know, and
Yeah.
especially I knew like from the stock car would be already an issue, and then here with the extra power that would be definitely an issue.
Yeah.
Because towards the, yeah, like I said, halfway through the lap, the pedal was starting getting soft, and I'm like, so it was. That's why we couldn't keep up the pace that otherwise would have been there. That's why I was like really slowing down more and downshifting, kinda, because it was not optimal. Because I didn't dare to carry more speed through the corner with the brakes being faded this much. So yeah, do some homework and we'll go again.
Yeah, we will definitely.
Amazing.
It was really amazing.
I loved it. I'm happy we could make it happen. That the lap was dry. Unfortunately, yeah, yellow and Schwedenkreuz, but everything else was fantastic.
Brother.
Wow.
Brother,
wow.
what is this?
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. All right then.
Look at those wheels.